To copy objects in Blender, there are two options. First, you can use Ctrl+C to copy and then Ctrl+V to paste. And the second, you can use the duplicate tools. For the first, I will select this box object and then you can press Ctrl+C to copy and then Ctrl+V to paste. Now you can move the object, like I will move in Y-axis. You can paste again, will move into X-axis. Now, for another, to duplicate, you can press Shift and D plus D. Now it will be copy the objects and you can tap B to set for the base point. I will click in it and you can move into another object. If you use paste, like I will select this object, Ctrl+C and then Ctrl+V. Now you can move. The next, use B tools to set into base point. I will click in it and you can move again into here. So for the first, you can use the copy, Ctrl+C and then Ctrl+V to paste. And you can move. Now you can set for base point. Like I will click in this point and move into here. Or the other option, you can press Shift D to duplicate the object. You can select the object and then Shift D. After it, you can press B to set base point. I will click at this point. You can move into here.